Now, Bitcoin inched up since we last spoke about it, but now is this one big fat bull trap? Or are we setting up for a much bigger breakout? Well, we are going to be talking about just that today, in addition to giving you guys the mango trade of the day. So if you want to know more on that, stick around. And what's cracking, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's Bitcoin analysis video. As you can see, I have Sean next to me. Sean, say hello to everybody.
Good morning, everyone.
Okay, so despite getting rejected on the weekly open, Bitcoin rallied. And Sean, you called it in yesterday's video. Of course, the entire trade thesis was based on that. So you know what? I'm not going to bore you by telling you exactly what Sean said. I'm just going to give you a quick playback to give you guys a refresher. So let's get into that.
I think we go up this week. Let's just cut to the chase, guys. I think we go up this week. I know we didn't get the close that we wanted. Okay, we all wanted the close above the weekly 200. And now you guys know that I've been bearish ever since we hit 32K. I've been like waiting patiently for that 23K move, right? Essentially lining up with Krisha's target to the bottom of the FEG. If you guys remember, Krisha had two targets for her short trade, which was the middle of the FEG, target one hit. I'm like, guys, let's be patient. Let's be patient. Let's wait for target 2 as well, right? That would have lined up with the monthly 10 SMA as well. But now my patience is running thin, okay? And I think that we go up this week or in the beginning of next week. Now, don't rush to your computers and put on a bull trade. Wait, okay? And I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how we trade this when we get to the mango trade of the day, which we're getting to very, very soon.
All right, so there we have it. Sean's bullish tilt from yesterday. I did not see that coming, by the way. I was totally expecting a pullback. But Sean's like, nope, he's running out of patience. You guys heard that. He's running out of patience, and he's looking for that next pump.
All you guys got to do is project what you want as, or what you would do as a trader onto the rest of the market, right?
Okay, so let's talk about this. Now, according to you, is this a bull trap? Do you think that this is a bull trap? Or do we actually start seeing a rally from here? Do you think that this is the impetus of something bigger?
Not yet. Like I still wouldn't get too excited, guys. Yes, we have shot above the 200 moving average, but the weekly hasn't closed yet, okay? We have taken out the previous week's high, which is a good sign, but the weekly hasn't closed yet, right? We want to see where the market will accept this price. Will it be above the 200 moving average or will it be under? If it's under, is it going to be underneath the weekly 21 EMA? That's the big one for me. Because if you guys remember from yesterday's video, I said the weekly 21 EMA got defended again. And again, guys, it's one of the few times that the weekly 21 EMA is underneath the weekly 200 moving average in Bitcoin's history. So the market might be respecting that over the 200 MA. So while this does give us more validation to my thesis from yesterday, we don't have the confirmation just yet. And that confirmation will come in line with the mango trade of the day that we're going to go over very, very soon, right? We don't have that yet. Remember, there's a trigger to the mango trade of the day. That mango trade hasn't triggered yet. We almost triggered it. Right? Price almost did, but not yet. So we got to be a tad bit more patient. And like you've drawn there, Kusha, we're simply at the top of the wedge, right?
Yeah.
So yes, this could come down to the bottom of the wedge once more. Frustrate people, so let's be patient. Let's be mango.
All right, gun to my head, I think we're breaking out. I don't think that this is a bull trap, okay? Now, there are a few things that happen.
So you changed your mind? You've changed your mind?
I mean, you have to.
That's fine.
There's
nothing
price
wrong
action.
with
I don't
changing your
care. You know, for me, my thing is to make money, right? I'm only here to make money, so I have to look at the information on the chart and come up with a thesis accordingly. Now, what's really happening...
I want to interrupt there. Guys, okay, for those of you who are new to trading, you guys got to choose right now. Choose right now. You either get to be right or you get to make money. Krisha's choosing to make money. She's like, F it. I'm changing my opinion. And that's the trader's mentality. Right? Don't let your ego get in the way of you making money.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm seeing on the chart right now. The first off, I'm going to take you on over to the Mango dashboard, okay? Especially this chart that we have. We're going to go ahead and switch on our FVGs, the same ones that we have been talking about now for days on end, right? The weekly time frame, put on your bullish FVG right there. Okay, now remember, these are the liquidity prop pockets, and I keep telling you guys, as soon as we pop out, I think that's a bullish tilt. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a line, okay? Now notice how right now, Sean, price is hovering over that FVG block. All right, that's already a nice tilt, but we haven't closed. Now with this, okay, there's confluence here. There's confluence. If I take you on over to the daily time frame with this, now check out what's happening here, okay? It's the same level. So now we have confluence with a weekly FVG and a daily FVG. It's the same level, all right?
I remember you saying you were going to look for 2 daily candle closes above that weekly FEG. I remember you saying that. Okay, so you got that. Okay, so guys, she didn't change her opinion randomly. She had a criteria to change her opinion, and she changed her opinion. Brilliant.
Right.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
I thought you were.
Thank you. Okay, so now this is what we're looking at, okay? So now we're seeing confluence on that level of resistance. And please notice, ever since we broke down right here, June 7th, we have been holding it as overhead resistance time and time and time again, okay? Now, this is the first time since June 7th that we've actually managed to break out of it, all right? So now, of course, there's just one candle close. We're still waiting on the second one. However, it's still a bullish tilt. In addition to that, what else have we taken out? We've reclaimed, by the way, the 21 exponential moving average on the daily time frame.
Along with the Tenkin.
Okay,
And
yes, exactly.
if you guys have been following the mango trade of the day, you guys know the importance of that Tenkin right there. We'll come to that, okay? That Tenkin shooting down is going to be very important, guys. Keep an eye on that.
Right. So now, but now look at the bullish tilt, right? We've taken out the FVG. We have one candle close over all of these regions in one fell swoop. FVG, the 21 EMA, and the Tenkin. All right, so we have all of these factors, and that's why I'm willing to change my mindset. I'm willing to say that, hey, you know what? I think this might be heading for that breakout. But now question is, and I think this is a great segue into the trade of the day, is this a good time to be bidding Bitcoin? Would I buy here? Would I buy here? And the answer to that is no. While I do believe that this is now a bullish tilt, you know, I would not be buying here. Okay, I'll be waiting on a better level to be buying Bitcoin
And
at.
that again, guys, is the trader's mentality. You may think price is going up, okay? You may have conviction in prices going up, but is it a good trade? Again, 2 different things. Okay, sometimes the risk reward may just not be there based on your support and resistance levels, based on your trend indicators, etc. Right? So remember, just because you think price is going up, don't succumb to those emotions and put on the trade. It needs to be a good trade, okay, to put on the trade. And if price wants to go up without you, that's fine. Don't be afraid of price going up without you. We are actually going to be looking for price to go up without us, and then look for the trade to get activated. So we're going to get to that.
Yeah, so I mean, this almost wraps it up, but I just found something, and we've taken out all these highs, right? Just to show you, we were in that little downtrend on the daily time frame.
So you think we've okay, so
right?
According to you, you've broken the channel?
I think so.
But
Okay,
on the weekly, we haven't.
This is the channel within a channel. This
Okay,
is a daily channel that's broken up, right? The measured move to this.
Right.
You
Okay,
need to
remove all your
understand.
other indicators.
Okay, sorry. There we go. Okay.
It's just so much noise.
Okay, now there it is. Okay, this is that daily channel. Now these channels are bullish patterns, right? And it has been activated. We broke out of it right here. All right, so activated, the measured move to which will take Bitcoin here. All right, to this high, which comes in at around 28.4.
Could you zoom out first and draw out the weekly channel within this?
Absolutely. For you guys, anything. Okay, there we go.
Okay,
There is the
now
weekly
we
channel.
have a cascading pattern on our hands here, guys. A channel within a channel. We've broken the inner channel, and the measured move of this channel points to the outside of the outer channel. You guys see, right, what's going on here?
28.4K, exactly. So, and that's why I'm saying that this is now a bullish tilt, which is now a great segue into the trade of the day that Sean actually presented you guys with yesterday. So, Sean, do you want to give them an update on the trade of the day?
Alright, so the mango trade of the day. Nothing much has really changed, guys. Remember, we're looking for a trigger. What exactly was that trigger? For those of you following along with the trade, go on over to your dashboard, app.mangoresearch.co. Bitcoin is completely free on all time frames, so you guys can follow along completely. We're looking at the daily time frame here, okay? Pick your daily from the drop down. Then go ahead and click on your swing lows and swing highs on the right hand side over here. What we are looking for over here is the lower high coming in on June 4th, 2023. And that low, guys, is coming in at 27,455, okay? We're looking for that low to be taken out. So when that low gets taken out, we have a trigger. Okay, as soon as we get that trigger, and you guys can see that we almost got there, but we were off by around $150. Okay, so it's not triggered yet. Be mango, be patient. As soon as we trigger that lower high, remember, looking for it to get taken out, we are going to be looking for the rebid of the Tenkin. Okay, to get the Tenkin, click on your Ichimoku indicator over here on the right hand side. Okay, and right now it's shooting down. And remember, we said we are going to be following this dynamically. It could be lower than where it is. It could be flatlining by the time price comes down to it, right? At the moment, it's shooting down. It could shoot lower. It could shoot lower. And you wait for that bid opportunity. You're going to bid the Tenkin, okay? Now, remember, guys, price will come down even further. Be mango, be patient. So again, to recap, the first trigger is the lower high being taken out. And where's that lower high, Krisha?
27.4K.
At a girl. Then we're going to be looking for the rebid of the Tenkin, wherever the Tenkin is, guys. So you're not going to be buying the breakout. You're going to be looking to buy the higher low. Okay, so we're looking for a higher low to get placed here, HL. Okay, that is your rebid. Now notice, guys, how I drew HL here. Okay, I am essentially hunting for a higher low here. And that essentially now gives us our invalidation. Because if we take out this previous lower low, we don't have a higher low. We are going to have a lower low, right? If we come down and take out that low, we're going to have a lower low. That invalidates your trade, and that's when you exit the trade.
Nice. So essentially, even if it is a bull trap, you will still be safe. Always pay attention to the invalidations on these trade setups, okay? Because that's a part of risk management. You need your stop losses. You need to know when you're wrong on your trade. Okay, but you're now prepared for the upside. You're also prepared just in case you're wrong on the trade.
Exactly, guys. So once 27.4K is taken out, you're looking to hunt for the higher low, wherever the Tenkin is, and then you're looking for the continuation to the upside. That's how we get our trend trade, and that's when we're going to be looking for a much, much bigger move.
But now remember, guys, this is a dynamic trade, and things might change. Your entries, your exits might change as price unfolds on the chart. Now, if you do not want to miss any of that information, make sure to smash the notification icon. That way you are updated every time there's a change to the trade. Okie dokes. So, yeah, this pretty much wraps up the trade of the day as well as the analysis of the day. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, and we will see you guys in the next update. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.
Ciao.
Here, okay? It's the same level. So now we have confluence with a weekly FVG, and